Hello and welcome to the daily Forex report for September 2nd. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This particular pair closed down today. It did create an inside bar on low volume. We are looking for it to potentially go as high though as 84.95, possibly down to 83.39. Look for some resistance around 84.65 and look for some support around 83.95. Okay, now looking at the Euro USD pair, this particular pair closed down as well, or up rather, but did create an inside bar. This pair is moving sideways, biased to sideways. We are looking for it to possibly move up to and hit resistance at 129.25, possibly down to 127.15 and hit support at that level. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair closed lower, did create an inside bar as well. We are looking for it to continue overall moving sideways with a bias to the downside. Look for it to potentially go as high as 155.39, possibly as low as 152.55. Look for some resistance around 154.95 and look for some support around 153.25. Now looking at the US Swiss, this particular pair closed down today. Almost created an inside bar, but actually went a few pips higher than the previous sessions. This pair is continuing to move to the downside. Look for it to possibly move to 1.0244 if we get a reversal, possibly down to 1.0027. Look for some resistance around 1.0215 and look for some support around 1.0060. Now, as far as news announcements go, we have the Swiss releasing their consumer price index for August at 3:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that it's moved from a negative 0.7% to 0.0%. Year to date, they're showing a hold at 0.40%. We also have the U.S. releasing their non-farm payroll for August at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that the non-farm has dropped from a negative 131K to negative 105K. They're also showing that the unemployment rate overall has moved higher from 95% or 9.5% to 9.6%. If the news comes out better than that, of course, we could see the US dollar rally. Now, as far as what I'm looking at, we have 3 inside bars that were taken, and I'll run through these real quick. I wouldn't take a trade to the upside on the yen, but a quick pip, a quick little grab here of about 15 pips or so to the upside. If we get a break to the upside, we could see that possibly go really quick through that area, basically looking for a buy here and up to this point and exit. Now switching to the Euro USD pair, this particular pair created an inside bar as well. Here again looking for it to move to the upside, have a little bit more room than we did on the yen on this one. I do believe we can grab maybe a few more pips on it, roughly grabbing about 20-25 pips on this particular move. Now the pound US dollar pair, here again I wouldn't necessarily take the breakout to the downside, but if we get a move to the upside, go ahead and look to grab a few pips, entering here at the previous session's high and breaking out to the upside about 40 pips. So here again looking for a buy at this point and looking to exit here. Use a risk to reward of 1-to-1. Unless it's under 30 pips, then go ahead and set it at 30. Definitely could see this happening, especially with the FOMC announcements coming up tomorrow. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.